Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, I want to show y'all how to sell $100 plus on Amazon Affiliate every day and earn commissions. Now, this works best if you have a YouTube channel or you think about creating a YouTube channel where you review products. I want to teach y'all something. Teach y'all my method on how I do this. Now, this is the last 30 days. I made $2,000 worth of sales. Over 76 items ordered, 9,000 clicks. Now, for that, I got $112. So, how Amazon works is you sell products. Anything listed on Amazon, I don't care what it is, from home and furniture to headphones, anything outdoors, from the tablets, computers, everything, you can sell and you can get a fixed rate commission. Now, the highest things to sell are beauty products, anything to do with health. Those are the highest commission rates at 10%. So I'm gonna show you all an example of what I did today. So on YouTube, I made a video why you should use fluoride-free toothpaste. Now, this product that I reviewed, I had this product and I found it on Amazon. It's called Hello Fluoride-Free Toothpaste. So we go to Amazon, and anything on Amazon, once you are signed up to Amazon Associates, at the top you can get the link to it. Now, once you get the link, you copy it and it's automatically keyed with your tracking ID. So you take that tracking ID, place it in the description, and people naturally search for things. If you create interesting content, people will naturally look for it. And over time, over the years, people find it, people use it, and get information from it. You could also use this method if you are running a blog. If you want to run a blog and review products, or you can even set up native ads, and within your blog, it'll be Amazon ads that people can click on that are related to things they were already searching. And how it works is once they click on your link for the next 30 days, it's a cookie attached that will track everything they do on Amazon. And if they make a purchase, it'll come back to your account. So you can see the fees. Certain days are higher than others. But it's getting better. As you can see, like I started off, I wasn't getting too many clicks, but I got a method. I also, for my YouTube videos, another key, if you're a content creator, leave links to everything you use to create your YouTube video. And this is all I use to create YouTube videos. And I'll leave a link to that just in case somebody get inspired and they want to, create a YouTube channel and know you don't need that much. You can do it from your iPhone and make money. You can make money with your iPhone. But anything on Amazon, once you sign up for Amazon Associates, you'll see the site stripe, and you just click get link. You see it also has image. You can get the image of it for your website. It also has text and image, just another level for a side border on the website. And you can design a whole website with Amazon products. And the key is driving traffic, getting people to click on it, getting people to engage with your link so they can buy things. That's why I like YouTube. I feel like it's one of the more organic ways to do it. I just place the links under my videos and everybody click on them. So it's your boy Yon World. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about Amazon affiliate. If you need help with anything, leave a comment. I'll do my best to help you out. But you can see I've been making some money with Amazon affiliate. But yeah, it's Yon World. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.